So, good morning, students. Yes, you are welcome in class of computer, and we are doing our chapter number 5, which is about mail merge in Word 2010. In previous session, I have told you the theoretical aspect of this chapter, and we have seen that for implementing mail merge, we need two things majorly. The first thing is that we have to create a main document, and then we have to define a data source. That means recipients list, or you can say the recipient's address list. So in the previous session, we have seen only the theoretical aspect, only the theoretical manner. Now in this particular session, I'm going to implement mail merge in very practical manner, in which I will show my screen, I will share my screen to you, so you can better understand how you can implement mail merge. Once again, I'm revising the mail merge topic is that whenever you want to send a particular letter, a PDF, or anything that you are sending to a multiple users, then you use mail merge. Mail merge is being used for sending letter, a particularly defined letter, to multiple users. The address, the recipient's list will be changed, but the content, but the main document will not change. Just like you are sending your invitation card, or you can say notice, circulars to the several people, then you will implement mail merge. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen and will share the Word document. Here it is. I hope that you can see the MS Word dialog box, or you can say the very first interface. So this is my MS Word. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can implement the mail merge. First of all, we need to create main document. For creating a main document, you need to click on this mailings. Okay, now you will click on this start mail merge. Once again, I'm defining the steps. You are in the home, you have to click on this mailing tab. Okay, now you will find start mail merge. Here I'm going to define letters only. Okay, so this is my letter. Now I will write, I'm just giving spaces. So let me do the font size changes. Let it be 24 so you can easily see it. Okay. Dear, and I'm giving space. Okay, now I'm writing, I hope this letter finds you in the best of health and spirits. So I'm just writing my letter and then its content. You will be glad to know that my birthday falls on 23rd October. Okay, so I think 23rd October is coming now, and I am going to celebrate my birthday at home. Okay, so I have invited all my friends So this is my generally a letter which I am typing for you. You will also come join my birthday party. Now, last line, yours sincerely, sorry. Now I'm writing my name. So what is this? This is my main content which I'm going to send it to my multiple users, to my send it to my multiple recipients. So this main content, this main letter will be same. I will not going to change this thing. So now I have to send this letter to more than one people. Okay. So now I have typed my main document. Now it's time to understand how you can create data source. So how will you create data source? Mailings. Okay. In mailing tabs, you will find select recipients. So here I am going to select recipients. Now this will show me three options: type new list, use existing lists, or select from Outlook contact. So I am going to show you how you can type, how you can create your own data source or your recipients list. So here I am clicking on type new list. Here it is. So this is how you can find the type new list, in which you can see title, first name, last name, company name, address line, and etc. So now you have to type all the recipients detail one by one. Supposingly I'm writing in title Mr. First name is, let's say, Naveen. Last name is Kumar. Company name is LPS, and address line is, let's say, Bikaner. Okay. Now this is my first name. Now I have to create one more name. Then I will click on this new entry. Now once again, let's say Mrs. Now here I am typing Ankita or LPS and then Bikaner. Supposingly I want to add one more recipient. Then Mr. let's say Ram Chaudhary PS, and let's say he's coming from Ajmer. Okay, one more entry. Let's say Vikas. I'm just taking this name as an example. Okay, LPS, and he's coming from Jaipur. So this is how I can create my own address list. Now I will click on this OK. Now it will ask me to please give the name of this recipients list. So I am giving name as friends. Okay, I am giving this name as friends. Clicking on this save button. Now you can see edit recipient list, address block, greeting lines, insert, and etc. So now we will select recipients, edit recipient, insert, merge, fill, and etc. We can do various kind of thing, but now we are going to use fill in the various fields, or to click or to click the recipients list. Now I'm going to click on this insert merge field. Okay, insert merge field. Now I can see title, first name, last name, company name, and etc. So what we have inserted? We have inserted title, we have given first and last name, and we have also mentioned company name and one address line. So supposingly I am going to drag the title here. Okay, so title abhi yahan par aa raha hai. I'm going to delete it. Supposingly I need to drag the title here, so I have to click on insert merge field. I will click on this title, so my title will come here. Now I'm giving space, then I will once again selecting first name, then space, last name. Supposingly I have also mentioned my company name and address, then I will give space. Here will come company name, space, address. Okay, so this is how I can drag, or I can just put my title, first name, last name, company name, and address line. Now you will find that if you are dragging title or other fields which you have mentioned in your recipients list, so this will come in this manner. This will come in this manner. That means title Mr. Let's say first name Naveen, last name Kumar, company name is LPS, and address line 1 will be Bikaner. So choose the required field. We have chosen the required field. Now we will finish and merge it. Now I am going to click here, finish and merge. Now it will ask me, do you want to edit individual document, or you want to print it, or you want to send email addresses? So now I will click on edit individual document. So it is asking all or current record. So I will click on this all, and then I will click on this OK. Now you will find that there will be 4 sheets will be created. One for Mr. Naveen Kumar LPS Bikaner, second one will be for Mrs. Ankita Gaur LPS Bikaner, third one you will find for Mr. Ram Chaudhary LPS Ajmer, and then you will find Mr. Vikas Sharma LPS Jaipur. So we have created only one time a letter, but now you will find that 4 letters has been typed because of we have implemented the mail merge. If you are going to implement mail merge, so you can define your recipient list. In that recipient list, you have to mention particular or one by one entries. So on that basis of entry, it will produce an individual document for one person. So I hope that you have understood how you can implement mail merge in a practical manner. हमने केवल एक ही बार टाइप किया था लेटर, बट हम यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं कि 4 अलग अलग जो है एक एक पर्टिकुलर नेम के अकॉर्डिंग जो है हमारा लेटर क्रिएट हो चुका है. So this is how you can implement a simple mail merge, or you can say whatever you want to implement using the mail merge and can send to the multiple users, sent to the recipients list. So once again, I'm revising all the topic which we have discussed. First, you need to click on this mailing tab. You have to click on the start mail merge. It will ask you whether you are going to type letters, email messages, envelopes, and etc. So simply for simple understanding, you have to click on this letter. Then you will type your main document. After typing main document, you have to click on this select recipients. Select recipients, it will ask you 3 options: type new list, use existing list, and etc. So for if you have any existing list, then you will click on this use existing list. Otherwise, you will create your own list. For when you will select your own list, then it will ask you insert merge field. What? Insert merge field. Then you will drag the titles, drag the first name, last name, whatever you want to insert in your mail merge, and then you will click on finish and merge. So I hope that you have understood how to implement mail merge, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.